Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. We welcome you to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. In this video, we are going to see chapter 3 of your supplementary reader, Footprints Without Feet, CBSE class 10. Before getting on to the lesson, children, let us know about the author. Ruskin Bond is an eminent contemporary Indian writer of British descent. He was born on 19th May 1934 in Kasauli. He prolifically authored inspiring children's book and was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992, Padma Shri in 1999, Padma Bhushan in 2014. He also received his Lifetime Achievement Award in the year 2017, children. This lesson is about a 15-year-old thief who changes his name every month in order to escape from the police and the old employers. This time he kept his name Hari Singh. The story starts from the point where the two main characters of the story meet, the thief and Anil. Thief is the narrator of the story. Let us move on to the lesson, children. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. When thief met Anil, he was only 15, but at that age, he was successful and experienced as a thief. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind, and simple enough for my purpose. When thief met Anil, Anil was watching a wrestling match. Anil was about 25 years old. He was tall, lean, and he was open-hearted, kind, and very simple person. I hadn't had much luck of late, and though I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. In recent past, Hari Singh did not do any stealing. So this is a chance for him to get befriended with Anil, and he will rob Anil. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. The thief saw Anil and said that he looked like a wrestler. Praising someone helps in making friend. So this technique he used to flatter Anil. Actually, flattery means false praise. He praised him falsely. Anil did not look like a wrestler, but in order to befriend with Anil, thief told him that he looked like a wrestler. So do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather lean. The answer replied by Anil, it was a little surprise for the thief because at that moment he was only 15-year-old boy and he was lean also. He didn't look like wrestler. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. The thief humbly said that he do wrestling a bit. What is your name? Anil asked the thief what is his name. Hari Singh, I lied. I took a new name every month that kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. This thief, every month he used to change his name in order to escape from police and the old employers. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting and throwing each other about. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. So after Anil asked the thief what is his name, he started to talk about the wrestlers who applied oil on their body and they were lifting each other and throwing down. As the thief did not speak much, Anil moved away from that place. So this thief also followed Anil. Hello again, he said. I gave him my most appealing smile. I wanted to work for you, I said. So this thief, he gave a attractive smile that made Anil pleasant, okay. And he said that he wanted to work for Anil. But I can't pay you. Anil said that he can't give salary to him. I thought that over for a minute. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. So this thief, he thought for a while, for a minute, and perhaps he would have misjudged Anil that he is a rich man. I asked, can you feed me? Thief asked, can he provide food for him? If not salary, at least let him feed food. Can you cook? I can cook, I lied again. So the thief, he said simply that he don't know to cook, but he lied that he know to cook in order to befriend with Anil. You can cook, then maybe I can feed you. If you can cook, Anil said that if you know to cook, then I can feed you. I can provide you food. He took me to his room over the Jumna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. Anil took the thief with him to his room. It was situated on the Jumna sweet shop, and he showed balcony so that the boy, Hari Singh, could sleep on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. That night, the thief, Hari Singh, cooked food for Anil, but it was not good. So he could understand when Anil gave it to a stray dog, that is street dog, when he gave his food and told this Hari Singh to get away from that place. But I just hung around, smiling my most appealing way and couldn't help laughing. Appealing means attractive. When the thief smiled attractively, Anil could not stop laughing at him, and he accepted to stay with him. Later, he patted me on the head and said, never mind, he would teach me to cook. So he touched his head, he touched that boy, Hari Singh, and told him that he would teach him how to cook. Okay? He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentence and to add numbers. I was grateful. Anil said that he would teach him how to cook. Also, he would teach how to write his name and also how to calculate numbers later. And when he heard this, the thief was so happy and he was very thankful to Anil. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. So now when the boy, Hari Singh, when he heard that he is going to be, he is going to learn how to read and how to learn, then there is nothing other than learning like an educated man. He could achieve more than this. He could achieve more than this in the world. I was quite pleasant working for Anil. The thief was very happy to work for Anil. I made tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about ₹1 a day. So now he is along with Anil, and every day Anil used to give some money to buy daily supplies. Daily supplies means daily supplies means food items. That is necessary for cooking. So every day Anil would give some money, from which he would save ₹1 for him to use it. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. But the boy, Hari Singh knows very well that Anil knew about it, about that he saves ₹1. He makes profit from the daily money which Anil gives for him to buy groceries, from which he takes ₹1. That Anil knew it. But Anil did not mind about it. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. One day, what happened? Anil brought a bundle of note, and he said that how he got that money by by selling that book to a publisher, and he got some money. That secretly Hari Singh saw from back that he was tucking that money into the mattress, into the bed. He had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. I had every opportunity for doing so. Though the thief, that is Hari Singh, had every chance of robbing Anil, he didn't do so. Almost 1 month got over, but even then he didn't do any stealing. Line of work. Line of work means his profession, that is stealing. He didn't do any robbing or stealing. He didn't steal at all. For a month he didn't do, though he had opportunities to do so, but he didn't do it. Anil made money by fits and starts. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. So, Anil made money by fits and starts. Fits and starts means, I'll write here the meaning, irregularly. He got money irregularly. He didn't get consistently, he got it irregularly because he wrote for many magazines and he used to make money. He is a freelancer. Okay, that's what. He would borrow 1 week. He would borrow money, but that means what? 1 week he will be without money, the other week he will be with a surplus of money. So that is the life of Anil. Okay, he is not getting the money consistently. If at all he had money, what he will do? He will go out with his friends to celebrate and he will spend all the money. And he will be waiting for the next check to come. Okay. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way of making a living. Queer means a strange or odd way. Strange way of living. He didn't have the money, he didn't get money consistently throughout the month. At times he will write for magazines, he'll get money, and one week he'll be having surplus of money, the other week he'll not have money at all, and he'll be waiting for the check to arrive. Anil had given me a key to the door and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. So Anil trusted Hari Singh so much that he gave the key of the door to him, and as he wished, he can go and come. Okay, and Hari Singh did not find such a person who trusted him so much in his life. And that is why it was so difficult to rob him. So that is the reason that the honesty, that open-hearted, the simple, the carelessness of Anil made him not to rob him. It was very difficult to rob. It is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it is difficult to rob a careless man. So Hari Singh says that it is very difficult to rob a careless person. He can rob a greedy person because he has so much of money in him, so he could rob. But it is very difficult to rob a careless person like Anil. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of work. So sometimes he will, if Hari Singh robs the money also, he may not notice, and that doesn't give pleasure to Hari Singh as a thief. Well, it's time I did some real work, I told myself. I am out of practice, and if I don't take the money, he'll only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. So now he's thinking, okay, 1 month got over, and he's not paid also for the work Hari Singh is doing. So he is justifying what he is going to do. Okay, so he is planning to rob the money from Anil. Out of practice. What is this? Out of what is the practice is going to have? Out of practice. What was his practice? He was stealing or robbing others. That he will forget. So he is planning to rob Anil. If at all he is not going to rob, what he is going to do? What Anil is going to do? He is going to spend and celebrate, and he is going to spend all the money to his friend itself. So what is there? After all, he is not paying salary also to Hari Singh. For that, he is justifying. Okay, so he is planning to rob Anil. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. So now he planned. Okay, he planned to take the money, and this is the right situation. So he tried to rob the money. If at all he robbed the money, he could catch the 10:30 express which was running to Lucknow. So he planned. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. So now he planned to rob the money from Anil. So Anil was fast asleep. He was sleeping peacefully. Slowly, Hari crept into a room where Anil was sleeping. His face was clear, unlined. Unlined means showing No sign of worry. He was sleeping so peacefully, his face looked so young, okay, and he didn't have any marks on his face. It was so clear, so peaceful, so young. But he is comparing with his own face, his own appearance. His face is full of scars and marks on his face because he's a thief. My hand slid under the mattress searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. Now what he did? He went near the bed of where Anil was sleeping. He groped his hand and he was searching for the notes. And at last he found it and he took it very silently. Without making any noise, he took it out. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. So when he was about to take the money, at that moment Anil made a noise when he was sleeping. He made a sound that startled. Startled means what? He got startled means he became shocked. He was shocked because Anil turned towards him. So he was shocked and very quickly crawled out of the room. When I was on the road, I began to run. I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pajamas. I slowed down to walk and counted the notes, 600 rupees in 50s. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. So now he robbed and he went into the road. He started to run very fast. After some time, he slowed down and he took the note which was in his waist and he started counting. It was, all the notes were 50 rupees note. It was about 12 notes because he counted 600 rupees. So there were 12 notes of 50 rupees note. Okay. Now when he thought that he was when he is going to spend like a rich man for 1 week or the 2 weeks, okay, he'll be rich like a rich person. He's going to spend the money. Do subscribe our YouTube channel for further updates, children. Thank you.